Okay, we're in Microsoft Excel and we want to get the day of the week from these dates. Now what I'm going to do is just create a copy of the dates in the second column. Then with the date selected, use Control 1 on my keyboard. That'll get me into the Format Cells dialog box. I'm going to go down to Custom, and then in the type box, where we can see the format that's currently being used, just replace that with 4Ds. Click on OK, and there's your day of the week. Now, I've done that in a separate column, but there's nothing stopping you from actually applying the same trick to the original dates. So you'd select the dates, Control 1, go down to Custom, and you do the same thing here. So you're just typing in either 3Ds, so 3Ds would give you an abbreviated day of the week, or 4Ds.